Alright, these are gonna be the elevators at the E7 building here at Dad's work. Let's ride it. It's a Delta. Let me just take my gloves off. Make sure you watch. Okay, we're not gonna film. Oh, we got this one. Let's go. Alright, let's go. 1. Here we are on first floor. Wait. Now go back up 7. Idiot compliant phone. Door close doesn't work. And let's look at the indicator. Here we go. Wee. It's kind of fast. What was that sound? You go ahead, press 1. Oh. What are you doing? Okay, oh, 2. Okay, we'll go down 2. I want to get the longest sound. Whee! This is so cool. Second floor. I guess.
Oh, do you have to send it somewhere?
Alright, let's watch it close. There it goes. Watch it go up. There it goes. I'm not sure if you saw it. Let's go up.
Not being treatment for problem video game.
Look down there. Oh, we got this one. This is the hospital size. You hold the door. Daddy, come on. Let's get it. Oh, let's go. 1. Did you try peach again? Huh? Did you try peach again? Okay.
Check if somebody's getting in.
Okay. Is anyone getting in? Let's see.
First floor.
I'm talking quietly because people here are working. And penthouse does not work, so we'll go 7. Okay, here we go. Listen to the motor. Wow, look at this. That's a nice motor. Go down.
7th floor.
Which floor? 3 or 2? Okay, I guess 3. Door close works. We like that. Here we go. We'll get a cab view. It's your basic Delta elevator. Your buttons. We'll watch the button go out.
3rd floor.
Okay, here we are. I guess we'll get out here. Ring the bell. Let's see if the bumper works. Oh, it does work. Anyway, let's watch it close. Let's not test the bumper again. Oh, sorry about my finger in the way. There it goes. I guess that'll be it for this video. Bye.